Hello, algebra students. I am going to show you all a quick video. This is going to be 3 minutes or less on a quick, easy way to tell if you are shading the part of the coordinate plane above the line or the part of the coordinate plane below the line. So I'm going to start off by giving you an inequality. All right, so we've got y is less than 3x plus 1, and the graph for y is less than 3x plus 1. Well, the graph for y equals 3x plus 1, because that's how we're going to graph it, is going to be something that looks like this. So it's going to cross the y-axis at the y-intercept at 0, 1, which is right about there, and it's going to have a slope of 3. So it's 1, 2, 3 up and 1 over. 3 up and 1 over. So it's going to look something like that as far as the points that it's going to pass through. Now, because it is strictly less than, our line has to be dotted. So we're going to draw a dotted line through these points. All right. Now, in yesterday's video, Miss Sagala talked about how you needed to substitute 0, 0 in here, and then you were going to shade. If it was true, you were going to shade the side with 0, 0. If it was false, you were going to shade the opposite side. In reality, what we want to do, again, is we want to look at the inequality symbol. So let me, I'm going to highlight it in red here. We want to look at the inequality symbol. So it says that y is less than 3x plus 1. So this line that we just drew is the line that represents 3x plus 1. So if the answer, the solution, is less than that, well, it's going to be everything that's below the line. That's going to be our solution set. So our inequality symbol in the inequality is going to tell us where we shade. If it's less than, obviously we shade underneath the line. If it's greater than, we shade above the line. All right, now the only difference if this was greater than or equal to is that our graph would be a solid line, okay? If it was less than or equal to, well, the shaded area, well, let me go ahead and change that for you so you can see it. Well, if it was less than or equal to, it would be a solid line, and the solution set would be all of the points that were underneath it that were less than or equal to that. All right, so I went a little over the 3 minutes, but at 3:15, that's still a pretty short video. Y'all have a great day, and if I don't talk to you before the end of the day today, have a happy Thanksgiving holiday.